A Sonic here's P a police. I've never heard of my friends making a P-airy restaurant. I think I should work at this place. I have nothing bad would happen. Let me take my Master Emerald and wear off. Okay, here we are. I'll be working it for 5 nights. Let's go in. It's dark. Let's get in the security office before the night starts.
Hello. Oh, you must be the new night lord. It's me, Luigi. So, I gotta tell you something. Oh, the police do it.
What? Why?
Don't believe me. Get the camera.
Wait, where's Sonic and Yushin?
They went outside, leaving the door open, and they broke the door. I got to go. Please call the police now.
Oh no! I gotta call the police.
What's your emergency?
I'm Knuckles. I'm calling from Sonic ERP, a police. We have an animatronic escaping from the restaurant. Can you get the police department to handle these animatronics?
Okay, what does the animatronic look like?
They are Sonic and Yushin. Sonic has a hat and a bow tie. And Yushin has a bib says let's eat.
Okay, I'll get police to handle this. Thank you for calling.
You're welcome. Please be quick. Now I gotta go get them.
Now that the holidays are finally over, let's all go back to being our non-holiday selves.
Challenge accepted.
Let's not worry about what we're wearing, or if we look cool.
I believe I see something!
The following message is transmitted at the request of New Orleans Police Department. At approximately 12:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, there are reports of 2 characters from Sonic Hero Pizza Palace has escaped from their places. It is unknown of how did it escape from their closures. In addition, the characters are believed as Sonic and Yoshi. Sonic the Hedgehog with a hat and a bow tie, and Yoshi the green dinosaur with a bib says let's eat. It is not known if these characters are hostile, but this has not been confirmed at this time. All residents in the city of New Orleans are advised to stay in your homes for the night. Do not approach of these animatronics, if they're hostile or not. Stay tuned for media outlets for more information whenever it becomes available.
Coming up next, it's Regular Show.
This was my
is transmitted at the request of New Orleans Police Department. At approximately 12:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, residents in the city of New Orleans, lock all of your doors immediately. It has been confirmed that two animatronics, Sonic and Yoshi, are in fact really hostile towards anyone who in their path. These animatronics kills about 15 people in the city of New Orleans. They have red eyes with some characters' blood dripping down on their eyes. These characters attack the people by the following ways: eating alive, running very fast than the cheetah, and stabbing with a kitchen knife. This is an extremely dangerous situation, and this action needs to be taken seriously for your safety. All residents in the city of New Orleans are strongly advised to remain in your homes with all of your windows and doors locked. Do not approach of these animatronics as they are extremely dangerous. They'll attack and kill anyone on sight. If one or more of these animatronics breaks in your home, use arm protection by all means, which is include legal force. If you see these animatronics in your location, get away from these animatronics and call 911 immediately. Please stay tuned for media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is WDSW News, and we have some breaking news coming out in the city of New Orleans. Just 5 minutes ago, we have reports of two animatronics that escaped from the pizzeria called Sonic Hero Pizza Palace just 45 minutes ago after it closed for the night. The description of these animatronics is believed to be Sonic and Yoshi. Sonic is the hedgehog with gray hat and bow tie. He also have red eyes, with blood dripping down on his face. Yoshi is a female dinosaur, she has a bib says let's eat, and she also have red eyes as Sonic. It is unknown if more animatronics will be escaping from the pizzeria, but this has not yet been confirmed at this time. Live from downtown New Orleans is my correspondent Tom. Tom, what's going on?
I'm currently in the downtown New Orleans, where it is very quiet out here. Many people woke up from their sleep after a local area emergency that just issued 5 minutes ago. So far, about 20 casualties has been reported, as most of the animatronics managed to break into someone's home, killing the innocent civilians. Like David said, Sonic and Yoshi has red eyes. Sonic has blood dripping down on his face. Residents, if you're in the city of New Orleans, please seek shelter in the room that is away from windows and doors. Do not approach of these animatronics, they are completely dangerous, and it should not be approached. If you approached by one of these animatronics, get away from them and call 911 immediately. I hope no other animatronic will escape too, otherwise, it'll make it even worse. Back to you, David.
Thank you, Tom. In other news, Sonic Hero Pizza Palace will be closed until the investigation has been confirmed. This is WDSU News, serving the city of New Orleans. We will now switch to regular programming.
All right, we need to find them and bring them back. Huh? What is that?
Hello!
Meow! Tails!
We're here to kill other civilians.
Huh?
Come on, Tails. Let's go kill Knuckle and everyone else.
Oh no, you don't! Let's go find a police department.
Gather your crew and cozy up for a magical escape. we've got a super awesome Disney Channel family movie. In order to be the best,
Monsters University!
you have to start from the beginning.
Welcome to Scaring 101. I am Professor Knight.
To make the grade,
We flunked that scaring final. We are done.
You don't need to study scaring, you just do it.
this monster is gonna need a little.
The following message is transmitted at the request of New Orleans Police Department. At approximately 3 a.m. Central Standard Time, reports from the Night Guard saying that more animatronic has escaped from Sonic Hero Pizza Palace just then 10 minutes ago. In addition, Sonic and Yoshi are still on the loose and they're killing about 30 people in their sleep throughout the city of New Orleans and downtown areas. The animatronics are believed to be Mario and Tails, but this has not been confirmed at this time. As a precaution, all residents in the city of New Orleans and downtown area are strongly advised to remain in your shelters. If one of these animatronics manage to break into your home, use armed protection by all means, which include legal force. Do not approach these animatronics as they're extremely dangerous. They'll attack and kill anyone on sight. If you see the animatronics or the one animatronics described as Mario or Tails, run away as fast as you can and call 911 immediately. It is unknown if one of these animatronics will be stopped. However, please stay tuned for media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
Tonight at 8 on Disney Channel. This is a general audience movie.
The Avengers didn't.
Guys, we just got an update about the two animatronics that escaped from the pizzeria last 35 minutes ago has been confirmed as Mario and Tails. Mario is human EXE with bunny ears and tail in the back, a red bow tie, and a dark blue cape. Tails is the fox who has an eye patch on his right eye, and he has a hook to slice the victim by the following ways: slicing the neck off, chest, and the stabbing the others in the heart. In addition, Sonic and Yoshi are still at the downtown. Police are struggling to catch these animatronics as many police officers have been either killed or seriously injured. This is extremely dangerous and scary situation. I'm sorry about the disturbance to you guys. It's been 3 hours since they're escaped, and when is there be back to the pizzeria? Am I seeing the Freddy Fazbear and his friends escaped from the pizzeria back in 1993? The correspondent has been unavailable at this time. What's that shadow doing here? We have all of the lights on, and who's that yellow creature? Hey! Don't get closer. Get away from me.
Civil danger for the city of New Orleans and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at the request of New Orleans Police Department. At approximately 3:35 a.m. Central Standard Time, there are many reports of two individuals has last seen roaming around in the city of New Orleans. It has been confirmed by police that two creatures are described as Shadow Sonic and Golden Sonic. Golden Sonic has golden fur. He has red eyes with gray blood dripping down on his face. He was last seen wearing his red hat and bow tie and the blue shoes. Shadow Sonic is all black with white eyes and mouth. They can teleport whatever they want to go. The only way that they can stop is to use either using a light or to stay away from them. However, Sonic, Mario, Yoshi, and Tails are still at the downtown New Orleans. About 100 people across the city of New Orleans has been killed. 50 people has been injured, and about 80 people has gone missing. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and this action needs to be taken seriously for your safety. All residents in the city of New Orleans are strongly advised to seek shelter in the room that is away from windows and doors and outside walls. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all lights. Take essential supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phones and chargers, toiletries, important documents, and a battery power or hand crank radio to last you and your family for the duration of this emergency. Do not approach of these animatronics, as they're extremely dangerous. They'll attack and kill anyone on sight. If one or more of these animatronics breaks into your home, use arm protection by all means, which include legal force. Do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse if already is. If you see one of these animatronics, run away as fast as you can and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
Oh man, I gotta find these animatronics.
Mamma mia!
It sure is dark outside.
Hello?
Oh, who are you?
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Danger for the state of Louisiana. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and this action needs to be taken immediately for your survival. The following message is transmitted at the request of Louisiana Emergency Management Agency. More reports of the clones of unusual creatures who has last seen spotted in the city of New Orleans. As the result, the creature made a huge clone of himself. The creature along with his clones are attacking and killing civilians across the state of Louisiana and surrounding states. These states include east of Oklahoma, east of Texas, Alabama, extreme northwest of Florida, and the south of Georgia. About 5 500 casualties have been reported in these states. According to the police, the creature is seen to be a yellow hedgehog male with robot legs and a red cape on the back. He uses his ruby to make the clone that can kill other innocent civilians. The creature has not been identified at this time. In addition, the animatronics along with the two creatures is nowhere to be seen. It could possible, if they have vanished. It also been found out that the ruby that was gone missing in the museum 24 years ago has been causing trouble to the city and surrounding areas. The creature could be responsible for the stolen ruby. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and this action needs to be taken seriously for your survival. As a precaution, all residents in the mentioned states are strongly advised to follow these instructions. Close and lock all windows and doors. Secure and barricade with any of these items such as wood or furniture. Turn off all lights. Close all fireplace and vents. Close all blindness. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape. Damp clothing or damp towel. Seek shelter in the room that is away from windows and doors and outside walls. Make sure you these essential supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phones and chargers, toiletries, important document, and a battery power or hand crank radio while taking shelter. Make sure that your phone or the radio is turned down the lowest volume as possible. The military have called in to deal with the situation. Do not approach these creatures, as they are extremely dangerous. They'll attack or kill anyone on sight. If one or more of these creatures manage to break into your home, use armed protection by all means, which include legal force. Do not go outside. If you do, you'll be attacked by one of these creatures. Stay away from one of these creatures. If you see the creature that is described, call 911 immediately. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse if it's already is. Please stay tuned for media outlets for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Okay, let's finish this. Hey you, how about you leave everybody alone?
Never. You ruined me. They all ruined my life. I'm here to kill everyone.
But you can't do this.
Oh yes I can. And yes I will. Okay guys, go kill him.
No, get away from me. Oh no, I'm trapped.
That's right. You can't escape from me. I'm Dr. Golden. And I'm gonna rule the world. Ha 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 ha. Damn it, fine. I'm going to kill you next time. You won't see the last of me.
That was close. Oh, there you are. Time to go back to the restaurant.
An administrative message from the New Orleans Police Department and the Louisiana Emergency Management Agency. This is an all-clear message. At approximately 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, all of the clones from the Yellow Hedgehog has been disappeared in all states. In addition, the description of Yellow Hedgehog has been identified as Dr. Golden. Also, Sonic, Mario, Yoshi, and Tails have all been found just 10 miles from the city. The danger to the city in some states are over. All residents are safe to exit their shelters. It has been confirmed that they turned into exit night before the start of the night shift. The civil danger warning are allowed to expire. The New Orleans Police Department would like to thank you for cooperation during this emergency.
Oh, what happened? It really hurt so bad. Let's just get out of here.
Nice. 200 rings for all of that. But what is this? Oh, you son of a...